Hello my monarchs, in this week's video I have a new gel X kit I got from Amazon. I'll be leaving the link down below. Let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing video. The kit is called Saviland. I've never heard of the brand, but I did see good reviews on it, and honestly I want to say it was under $20 or under $25. The kit obviously includes nail tips. It had the choice between long coffin or long square shape. I selected the long coffin. It's just my preference. At least it honestly gave you a choice, which is honestly pretty cool. It did come with a nail filer and a nail buffer. It also came with a nail tip cutter. Nail glue or gel X glue. We have here our UV LED nail lamp, which is timed, as well with the USB cable for it. Instructions are as well included. This is the whole kit and what it came with. I'm going to be selecting my nail tips to the size of my actual nails. I'm going in with my electric nail filer to file down the tips. It helps, in my opinion, to stay longer onto my nails. As well with the filing of the nail tips, I filed down my actual nails. Make sure you dust off any residue when you file down your nails, because obviously we don't want, that dust or powder in our nail polish. Let's get started with the fun part. Applying the nail tips. I'm starting off with my pinky. The nail glue obviously is new, so the first time ever I picked up the brush was full of nail glue. So make sure you try and clean up a bit before applying that first coat onto your nail tip. And like I always say, don't apply too much or too little, somewhere in between, if that makes sense. When applying onto your nail, make sure you have the nail straight before you cure, because if you try to fix it while it's curing, it's almost stuck there already curing, and you don't really want that. First nail done. Now let's continue on with the rest of the nails. I am doing the exact same method to the rest of them. These are how the nails look like before I cut them down to my desired length, or the vibes I'm going for. Grabbing my nail tip cutter. For this set, I'm going for more of a shorter nail look than what I normally go for. file down the sides. I noticed after I was done with my set that my middle finger is always very wide. I'm not sure if that's normal, but I think for my next nail set, I'm going to try and file it down with my electric nail filer or with the regular file to see if that helps. I'm grabbing the buffer and buffing them down. The sad part is that this one, the kit came with, kinda sucked. As you can see, I'm trying as much as I can to buff it out, but there's no buffing action. I did just grab my own to show y'all the difference, and of course to buff down my nails. I was going to use these three colors, but when I was applying that brighter pink that you see in the middle onto my nail, I was just not feeling it. So I did grab another pink color. So these are the three different pink tones that I got, or that I have. So I went with the one that was on my index finger. So I will be using this nude color to my pointer and middle finger. With the same pink color I used on the rest of my nails, I'm applying a diagonal, you can say French style. As you can see, it's just a diagonal look. Now with my lighter pink color, I'm applying another coat on top of that as shown. I decided very last minute that I will be using some golden flakes onto my nails, specifically my middle and pointer finger along the diagonal design. So I'm just breaking them down to smaller pieces. Using my Kiss Gel top coat as glue for the golden flakes. Don't forget to cure as well. Using that same top coat to seal the deal with the rest of the nails, of course curing them after. Now for the very final step, I will be using my cuticle oil. We have this pink nail set done by yours truly. Let me know what you all think in the comments below. I honestly get inspo from Pinterest and nails I see on social media. I sometimes combine or just make some designs up. If you guys have some ideas, feel free to list them down below. Thank you all so much for watching. We're at almost 500 subscribers. Should I do a giveaway at 500? Let me know what y'all would like me to give away. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye!